How to make Discord guild tags. If you want to create a Discord guild tag, watch this video till the end. The first thing you want to do is open up Discord. Now you have to be in a guild and not just a server. If your server is eligible, you want to convert it into a guild, then head over to your server and click on the server settings option. From here you will find the guild settings, click on that. Now from here you can select game, select playstyle, select traits and topics and write description. Now go ahead and click on the guild badge option. From here you can create a guild tag and badge that members will wear all over your Discord to rep your guild. Your guild tag can be a max of 4 characters. However, it is not unique and multiple guilds can have the same tag. Once you select a badge, you can change the color to either one of the preset color schemes or use the color picker to customize. As I said, this feature is currently an experiment and only available to a select number of servers. You can either create a guild from scratch by creating a brand new server or converting your current server into a guild. If your server is in experiment mode, you will see an option to convert your server into a guild. All you want to do is follow the on-screen instructions to make it into a guild. For now, if this feature is not available to you, you can simply join the guild archive. Then from here, select any tag. Now click on the join option. Once that is done, click on the user settings. Now click on profiles. Find the option of server tag and click on this drop down. Now go ahead and select your server tag from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.